Thank you, thank you. Okay, before we will start talking about new switches, I will talk a little bit more about our old series. And before technical part, I will tell you about Tom. Tom is AV engineer, and Tom was willing to spend time with his friends to watch TV, but Tom he will spend his time looking for answers, looking for solution for his problem. Why? Because Tom took a campus office switch to AV project, and now he has a problem with that switch, with sleeping, and with his wife. After coming back to his office, his colleague told him that he should see what internet says about recommended networking vendors. And let's check what internet says about networking infrastructure and networking vendors dedicated or recommended for AV projects and AV applications. So what we have here: Crestron, Netgear switches, not only recommended but sold through their website. IMX, Netgear, global partnership. Audac, global partnership. Christie, SDVOE Alliance. Netgear is the one of the founder of the SDVOE Alliance, so we are very close to Christie. Kramer, Netgear on their website. Biamp, Netgear. Shure, Netgear. Wirestone, Netgear. Atlona, Netgear. Ziwi, Netgear. Newtek, Netgear. Netgear. Lots of awards on main events, AV events. Why we are so successful in AV projects? I have a couple of photos showing Netgear products on real implementation, real projects. Why we are such successful in that part of the business, IT business? Because Netgear is a networking company. Okay. I can do that all day. Why we are so successful? Because we are certified by over 200 vendors. And as you can see, this cooperation is very close. It's hard to be on third-party third company on their website, and Netgear exists on those websites. So we are certified by over 200 companies, and what it means? It means that their products, their applications were checked on our products, on our switches. Those switches are made from the scratch. This is something completely new. This is not campus switch adopted to AV market. This is AV switch. Why? The first simple thing, chassis. We don't have rear side and front side. We have two fronts. One front for audio projects. The second front for IT projects. So we can have LEDs at the front or ports at the front. What else? Sound, noise cancellation. We can easily, from graphical user interface, turn off fans. So the noise, level of the noise is zero, completely zero. The hardware is a one side, but software it's the second side, and very, very important from our point of view. Why? Because, of course, we have graphical user interface for IT administrators, where you should know what is VLAN, what is multicast, what is eGMP, but also we have command line interface. This is for advanced IT users. But in our switches, you can find dedicated graphical user interface for AV administrators. With this graphical user interface, by few clicks, we can bound port with Dante, with Crestron, with AMX. Please take a look. I have a short movie about how this interface works. So we have predefined network profiles, IS67, Dante. Let's choose Dante. What we have to do is only to choose ports, put name for that profile, choose VLAN because we want this traffic separated from other traffic, choose color, apply, and that's it. It's done. All configuration is done on the switch, on those ports. PTP, EGMP, multicast, everything is done. For instance, we want to put video on that switch also, not only audio. Let's choose video profile. Let's put name, different VLAN, because we want this traffic separated from audio. Different color. And that's it. It's done. So this same switch, two different applications. But this is only one switch. What if I have many switches? We have controller dedicated for many switches. I will show on that movie one more thing, how to create inter-VLAN routing between those profiles, but maybe I will skip it and I will show you the controller. Edge controller is able to manage the whole solution, the whole infrastructure. So I have two switches on board already in the controller, managed by the controller. Let's take a look. Oh, we have firmware version. What we have done here, we can upgrade firmware. We can rebuild that infrastructure. We can check the topology. It's created automatically. And what we can do here, we can do the same what we've made on particular switch, but now we will do it for the whole infrastructure. So now we are choosing still Dante. Let's call it profile Dante. Again, VLAN. Maybe different color. Next. And now I'm choosing ports on the switch number 1 and ports on switch number 2. Apply. And it's done. The infrastructure is already configured. And we will do the same for video. This one profile, as you can see, covers many vendors. And again, access ports, apply, and that's it. Infrastructure is ready to receive video and audio. We can enter the graphical user interface of that switch from edge controller point of view. We can check that this configuration was made on those switches. And the configuration which take sometimes one day, maybe when we have problems, couple of days, took us few seconds. So the software side of those switches is very strong. For today, we don't have competition. The strongest things are network profiles. Why? Because those network profiles are created with cooperation with Dante. So there is no problem that Dante will tell you that the problem relies to network infrastructure. No, because they were creating that profile. About AV switches, we have plenty of AV switches. It's about more or less 40 different models. And the main three families are M4250 family with 10 gigabit ports, 1 gigabit ports with PoE+, with PoE++, with fiber optics ports, with copper ports. The second series is M4300. It's more IT-oriented series where we want to have AV and standard campus network. And third series, this is something new with also about 12 different models. M4350. This series will support not all switches, 2 models. This series will support SMPTE. Okay. Those 2 models are models equipped with 100 gig ports, 10 gigabit ports, and 25 gigabit ports. So quite fast, huge throughput, and this is required for broadcasting with low compression, and those 2 switches will work perfectly. Those switches will be available from January next year. If you would like to test it, you are ready to send it without any cost. I will be for a few next minutes after the presentation, and we can talk about it. Couple of words about Netgear company. Netgear company is an American company located in San Jose in California. We are 27, maybe even 28 years on the market, networking market. We are providing for our switches limited lifetime warranty. This is very important because when someone says that they provide lifetime warranty, I always ask how many years you are on the market. We are on the market 27 years, so we can easily say that we have limited lifetime warranty for our products. And this is not only marketing, this is real because we are not planning to leave the market for next X years. Okay, that's it from my side. Thank you.